Hello everyone, good morning. Today, March 15 2021. To all OFWs around the world, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Dito sa Middle East, good morning. It's already 4:40 in the morning. Nasa Pilipinas, magandang umaga. It's 9:40. So silipin natin yung PCI ngayon as of 9:40 in the morning. Trading already started 9:40. But before that, this is only a disclaimer. As I said several times, that there is no recommendation to buy, to sell, or to hold your position. This is only for educational purposes, to study the support and resistance. Now we will check the PCI if nag-hold ba yung PCI sa may incline support. As I said last time, there is a loss of momentum and we need to see that incline support na hindi ma-break ni PCI. So let us check the chart. It's 9:41 in the morning. Good morning and shout out to Nanay Training. Good morning. Tulon sa labi. Thank you for your support. Let's go to the chart. Tingnan natin yung chart. Ano nang nangyari ni PCI? Kung nag-hold ba si PCI or na-break yung incline support. Okay. PSEI ay na-break na po niya yung incline support. As of 9:42 in the morning, Philippine time, PCI is down by 1.8%. So malaki po yung down ni PCI ngayon. So lahat ng mga stock, karamihan ng mga stock ay nagpula. So nagpula yung mga stock ngayon. Malaki po yung down ni PCI, 1.8% as of 9:42 in the morning, Philippine time. So this is the one we discussed last time, that there is a loss of momentum of PCI. And there's a possibility that this incline support ay ma-break ni PCI. So already na-break na po yung incline support ni PCI. So for now, let us check and watch this area here, the horizontal support kung mag-hold si PCI. But if ever mag-hold man siya, then it is considered a downtrend because it is now below all the exponential moving averages. So we have most active as of 9:43. The most active here is dito. We'll check the chart of dito Telecom. So most of the stock ay nagpulahan, no? And now dito, is still trying to hold this horizontal support. But if ever dito will close red today, there's a possibility that it will break again this horizontal support. So dito is down by 7.21% as of 9:44. Anyway, our trading is up to 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we need to monitor if your shares and your company is in the support area. So we need to watch dito if dito will hold in this area, this horizontal support. But take note, even it is in the support, pag-hold siya sa support, but we need to see next trading day kung hindi niya ma-break itong horizontal support. Dapat mag-bounce siya din. So if ever ma-break ni dito, itong horizontal support, possible we will go back to the support line below this area here. So we just wait and watch our stock until 1 o'clock in the morning kung mag-hold sa my support area. So the next one here, PHA. This here is red. Only BA is already break the AMA 50, this red line. So if ever we will close red, close below the AMA 50, of course, we call this one as trend in adjustment. So we'll expect on this bottom line of this incline line, this channel, if ever mag-close si PHA below AMA 50 today. So we'll watch this area, this incline support to mag-hold mag-pull back si PHA on this area. So we see MACD. MACD is below the zero line. So we'll see, no? Monitor PHA na hindi mag close below AMA 50. Because if ever mag-close si PHA, we need to watch this incline support, this line, the bottom line of the channel. Kung mag-close yan below AMA 50. There is one here, top loser as of 9, see the top losers. MEH. MEH is down by 7.98% as of 9:47 in the morning. So just see this horizontal support. Nandito naman siya sa malapit sa may support, but this is not the right time to buy MEH. We need to wait another retracement going down to this support area. So tingnan natin yung next movement ni MEH. We'll see ACEN. Tingnan natin si ACEN. ACEN is down by 2.11 as of 9:47. ACEN still in this incline support. But for me, I need to wait if ACEN will go back above all exponential moving averages, especially this horizontal resistance, this line. But for now, for me, I will wait if ACEN will go back above on this horizontal support, resistance, this horizontal resistance. Because now I saw a lost momentum of ACEN. If ever we will close red today. Anyway, it is still holding the incline support. Nag-hold pa naman siya sa may incline support, but for me, I need ACEN to going back above all the exponential moving averages, and he will break this AMA 20 or this horizontal resistance. So that is my thought for ACEN. I will not be aggressive for ACEN unless he will go back above exponential or all exponential moving averages. AMA 20, this blue line. And we'll see the another one. The most active as of 9:49 in the morning. Anyway, these active companies, it will be changed, no? Pwede po yung magbabago pa yan until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is only as of 9:49. ASIC is also the top losers. Bull, OB is also down. We'll see OB. Current chart of OB. OB still AMA 200. Nag-hold pa naman si AMA 200. But if ever OB will close red today, possible will break this AB50. So dapat hindi siya mag-close ng red today. Shout out to, thank you for your support, Idol Dude Explorers. Thank you very much. Now our market is already break the incline support. So nag-down natin ngayon, we see that most of the company now is red. So this is the time we check last time, we discussed that we need to watch this PCI na hindi ma-break yung incline support. So I see a loss of momentum, as we discussed before, that there's a possibility that this incline support ay ma-break ni PCI. And now, it's totally break ni PCI. Shout out to MAH Dilhen. Thank you very much for your support. So this is OB, huh? We need to see OB na hindi ma-break yung AMA 200. And he will close green today. But if ever he will close red, possible he will break the AMA 200, this green line, this line. So it will become a downtrend. We will see MRC. So you see here a lot of companies here is red. Because the opening below the open tech, Metrobank to break this horizontal support. And if ever he will close red today, possibly we will go back to this incline support. And we need to watch this incline support. It is a support. Here there is a bounce. There is a bounce of the price. And we need to watch here if there is a bounce again. If ever he will close red today. But if ever he will going back to this incline support, I saw there is a loss of momentum for MRC. So we need to watch if it will go back again above EMA 200. Now it is a downtrend because the current price of MRC is below all the exponential moving averages. So we need to see that this horizontal resistance ay ma-break ni MRC. Thank you for your support. Let's go to the PCI again. We will see as of 9 PCI, we'll see how much now it's down by 1.85%. PCI is down by 1.85% as of 9:53 in the morning. We need to see this horizontal support na mag-hold si PCI. So na-break na po ni PCI yung, is a downtrend now because he is below all exponential moving averages. And for this time, mahirap na po yan iangat pag ganyan kasi yung mga moving averages ay payuko and dikit-dikit na po yung mga moving averages. So we need to watch again if PCI will go back above all the exponential moving averages. So now is a downtrend. We will see now. See now, but downward of now corporation. We will see here in the horizontal support, this line. So, but for now, don't be aggressive for now. We need to wait another pull back going to the support area. We'll see APL. Tingnan natin si APL is one of the most active as of 9:54 in the morning. Converge is green. Video is down. APL, we need to wait APL on the support area here, this horizontal. It's going back going retracement. So we need to see again to this area if there is a bounce on this horizontal support, this line here. So but for now, malayo pa yung current price ni APL sa may horizontal support. So don't be aggressive for APL, for me. But it's depend on your strategy. But for me, I will wait on this horizontal support. Kung babalik yung price ni APL on this area. Kasi malayo pa yan, no? We'll see MM is one of the most active also as of 9:55 in the morning. It's very marked. Day 2 is the top most active is down by 6.33%. Mary Mark is in the incline support. There's a bounce and on this incline support is good, but for now we already break this incline support as of 9:56 in the morning. So don't be aggressive for me, remark for me. We need to wait if we will go back to this incline support above on this incline line. If ever hindi niya ma-hold yan, we will see here in this area here, the support area. You can draw a horizontal support, this area. So we need to wait if there's a pullback of MM, if ever will close red today. We will see if there's a bounce in this horizontal support. So sana mag bounce si MM, but for me, I see there's lots of momentum of MM now. He already break this incline support. So possible we will go back to this horizontal support line below. We will see URC. We discussed this one. This is one of the PCI index stock. So this is the one we discussed last Saturday, all the 30 index stocks. So most of the 30 index stocks is a downtrend, 50%. And on that time, only 4, I think 2 or 3 companies in an uptrend. So that's why, this is the reason why also PCI did not hold the incline support. Now, URC already break this horizontal support. So we'll see the strong support, this area here. You see this area, this is the strong support of MRC. So we need to watch if there's a bounce of MRC in this area. This horizontal support. Na-break na po ni MRC ni URC yung horizontal support. So we need to watch URC on this horizontal support kung may bounce, but only bounce play because now it is a downtrend. So we'll see last one, Ani. Si Ani is one of the most active Ani, we'll see here for Ani. Try this here, this here. This is also a support area. Okay, we will adjust. And now is above this horizontal support, but there is a rejection. If you see the candle as of 9:59, there is a rejection. So we need to watch if there is a bounce again on this horizontal support. So we'll watch Ani if there is a bounce. We'll see the BHI. This is the top winners. We'll see last one, BHI. Boulevard Holdings. There is a, but there is a rejection also. No, keep away muna for BHI. It's already, he hit the previous high. There's a gap up, so possible there's a retracement again. We'll see MACD. RSI 65, MACD still above the zero line, but this is not the for me. It's not good for BHI because there is a gap up and there's already a rejection. So we need possible they will retrace again. So don't be aggressive. If you have a daily traders, of course you can ride this movement. But if you are a position trader or swing trader, uh, it's better you buy it in the bottom of this area. But for now, this is not the right time to buy if you are a swing trader. So I hope you learned something about this discussion today. And shout out to Neo Flores. Thank you very much. Idol Dotics. Thank you. Uh, I hope you learned something. And if you have comments, just put your comments. If you have stuff we need to discuss, just put your comments in the comments box. Before I go, shout out to Nanay Training, Lone Salabi, Idol Dotics Flores, and to MSE Delhen. And Neo Flores, thank you very much. To Engineer Edwin Bilan and to Engineer Edwin Vergara. Thank you for your support. To Gilbert Austria, to Dennis Kamaya and James Nicole, Mariano and Engineer Efren Avila, thank you for your support. To all my viewers, thank you very much. So this is the important and support and resistance. It's very important, much very important. So we need to take care always. That's all for today. Thank you and God bless us all always.